Why is preparation important? Have you ever wondered why preparation is so vital for success in studying and exams? Let's break it down. Preparation lays the groundwork for achieving your academic goals. It helps you organize your time effectively, which can lead to less stress and better retention of the material. When you skip preparation, you might find yourself cramming at the last minute. This approach is often less effective for long-term memory and can heighten anxiety levels. Starting with the basics, preparation allows you to break down complex information into smaller, manageable pieces. This technique, known as chunking, makes it easier to learn and remember what you study. Regularly reviewing your material during preparation can help combat the forgetting curve. This curve refers to how we tend to forget information over time if we do not revisit it. Preparation also helps you identify your peak study times. These are the moments when your brain is most alert and focused. By studying during these times, you can maximize your learning potential. Additionally, using proven study methods like active recall, where you test yourself on the material, and spaced repetition, reviewing information at increasing intervals, can significantly boost your memory and understanding. On a practical level, preparation involves creating a study plan. This plan should estimate how much time you need for each topic or assignment. Spreading out your study sessions can prevent last-minute stress and help you retain more information. Consolidating your notes daily and summarizing key points into a single sheet can also make your review sessions more effective. Remember, preparation is not just about studying hard. It is about studying smart. This means actively listening in class to grasp concepts as they are taught and asking questions when something isn't clear. Collaborating with peers or seeking help from instructors can also enhance your understanding. Taking care of your physical well-being is equally important. Getting enough sleep, eating well, and exercising can support your brain function and improve your performance during exams. In summary, preparation is vital because it organizes your study time, reduces stress, enhances memory retention, helps you identify your best learning times, and supports your physical and mental readiness for exams. By preparing well, you increase your chances of performing better on exams and gaining a deeper understanding of the subject matter. This not only benefits your academic success but also contributes to lifelong learning.